Hi everyone, greetings. My name is Amshar. Today I will present to you about the Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform. A Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform is a self-managed and includes enterprise-grade Linux operating system, container runtime, networking, monitoring, container registry, authentication and authorization solutions. These components are tested together for unified operation on a complete Kubernetes platform spanning every cloud. In this presentation, we will learn about a product overview of the Red Hat OpenShift and the Red Hat OpenShift advanced capabilities, features and benefits. And lastly, we will open up a discussion and clarification. So, let's get started to the introduction. Product overview. Red Hat OpenShift is a trusted Kubernetes enterprise platform. It is a security-focused, consistent foundation ready to enable modern hybrid cloud application development and lifecycle management for any application in any location across physical, virtual, private and public clouds and in edge computing. Designed to deliver continuous innovation and speed at any scale, Red Hat OpenShift empowers organizations to be ready for today and build for the future. Red Hat OpenShift delivers a modern, scalable approach to securing the entire application platform stack from operating system to container to application. The Red Hat OpenShift also enables continuous security, defense in depth, and secure software supply chain. Managing security is a continuous process as applications are deployed or updated. It is critical to provide dynamic security controls to keep the business safe. Red Hat OpenShift enables a secure software supply chain which ensures the applications are secure without reducing developer productivity. Red Hat allows businesses to control, defend, and extend their application platform throughout the application lifecycle. For the security of Red Hat OpenShift, it has container host and platform multi-tenancy, security and trusted content sources, securing the container registry, securing the build pipeline, managing secure container deployments, managing the secure container application platform, secure container application platform on any cloud, defend the network, secure the data, managing secure API endpoints and gateways. Red Hat OpenShift options starts with where you deploy it. The question you should ask yourself, where will I deploy Red Hat OpenShift? Who sends me the bill? Who will manage and support it? So, you can deploy Red Hat OpenShift as a managed service on your preferred cloud provider for a seamless experience on Azure, Amazon Web Service, IBM Cloud or Google Cloud. For greater control, choose a self-managed deployment of Red Hat OpenShift on any private or public cloud on bare metal or at the edge. There are 8 things about the advanced capabilities of the Red Hat OpenShift. It contains operators, edge computing, AI ML on OpenShift, Red Hat OpenShift pipelines, Red Hat OpenShift service mesh, databases and data analytics, Red Hat OpenShift serverless, Red Hat OpenShift virtualization. Operators. Operators provide automated installation, upgrades, and lifecycle management for every part of your container stack, providing a more secure and up-to-date Kubernetes application platform with no downtime. AI ML on OpenShift ensures better collaboration between data scientists and software developers and accelerates the rollout of intelligent applications across hybrid cloud. And for the Red Hat OpenShift pipelines, it provides a streamlined user experience through the OpenShift console developer perspective, command and line interfaces, and integrated development environments, for short IDE. Red Hat OpenShift Service Mesh provides a uniform way to manage, connect and observe applications as managing and security between services becomes more difficult. The databases and data analytics provide methods for ingesting, storing, processing, and analyzing datasets from a variety of sources for use cases such as mobile and e-commerce applications, AI/ML, business intelligence, and more. While for the Red Hat OpenShift serverless, it allows an application to use compute resources and automatically scale up or down based on use driven on demand from a number of event sources. Lastly, it's about the Red Hat OpenShift virtualization. It brings virtual machines to OpenShift to modernize existing applications or run them alongside containers and serverless in a Kubernetes native architecture. So that is all about the advanced capabilities of the Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform. Now, while we are at it, let's see about the product compatibility. Red Hat OpenShift is interoperable with all Red Hat products and many solutions from other vendors. See what works well with Red Hat OpenShift. The first product is about the Red Hat Application Services. Red Hat Application Services with Red Hat OpenShift provides a consistent, integrated environment for deploying, delivering, and scaling your cloud-native applications in any environment and throughout the application lifecycle. Together, this product streamlines the deployment, delivery, and scalability of cloud-native apps. The next one is Red Hat Ansible Tower. Red Hat Ansible Tower is an automation framework which helps Red Hat OpenShift users create and run reusable infrastructure code and automate provisioning tasks for cloud providers, storage solutions, and other infrastructure components. Using Red Hat Ansible Tower running as an operator in Red Hat OpenShift gives you even more opportunities to simplify and streamline infrastructures and provisioning. Next is about Microsoft Azure Red Hat OpenShift. It is a fully managed Red Hat OpenShift offering on the Azure Cloud Computing Service. Azure Red Hat OpenShift is jointly engineered, operated, and supported by Microsoft and Red Hat. Let's deploy your business-critical application with confidence and scale on demand while ensuring regulatory compliance across all environments. Red Hat OpenShift on IBM Cloud is a fully managed OpenShift service that leverages the enterprise scale and security of IBM Cloud. Deploy highly available OpenShift clusters as a service with the click of a button on IBM Cloud. Move and build OpenShift-based workloads on a managed public cloud service to gain increased responsiveness, scalability, and reliability. For the last product that are compatible with Red Hat OpenShift service is Red Hat OpenShift service on Amazon Web Service. It is fully managed Red Hat OpenShift service running natively on Amazon Web Services, allowing your enterprise to quickly and easily build, deploy, and manage Kubernetes applications on the industry's most comprehensive Kubernetes platform in the Amazon Web Service public cloud. Red Hat OpenShift also works with Juniper Networks, Visuary, Nginx, Amazon Web Service, Dynatrace, and Shadowsoft. Lastly, we will talk about the features and benefits of the Red Hat OpenShift Containers Platform. The first one is about the scalability, which is the application running on OpenShift Container Platform can scale to thousands of instances across hundreds of nodes in seconds. The multi-cluster management, consolidate views of clusters, and the use of Kubernetes technologies offer a consistent management layer across on-site and public clouds. The persistent storage, Red Hat OpenShift Container Storage allows users to run stateful applications and cloud-native stateless applications. Open source standards mean that OpenShift Container Platform incorporates Open Container Initiative, Docker's formatted containers, and Cloud Native Computing Foundation certified Kubernetes for container orchestration in addition to other open source technology. For the container portability, the container image built on the OCI industry standard ensure portability between developers, workstations, and production OpenShift Container Platform environment. The 3 node clusters give access all of the capabilities of a full Kubernetes platform with this highly available smaller footprint for edge architectures comprised of both supervisors and worker nodes. The remote workers node place single worker nodes in remote locations that can then be managed by a centralized supervisors nodes at a larger site such as a core or regional data center, especially important for remote edge locations that have space constrained environment and limited power or cooling capabilities. The robust ecosystem expands the ecosystem of partners, provides a wide variety of integrations. Third parties deliver additional storage and network providers, IDE and CI integration, ISV solution, and more. Automated installation and over-the-air platform upgrades are supported in cloud with Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, and Azure, and on-premises using vSphere, OpenStack, Red Hat virtualization, or bare metal. Services used from the operator hub can be deployed, fully configured, and upgradable with a single operation. For the multilingual support, developers can use various languages, frameworks, and databases on the same platform. The self-service provisioning, developers can quickly and easily create applications on demand from the tools they use most, while operation retain full control over the entire environment. Integrated CI or CD pipelines mean developers reduce manual deployment work to deploy higher quality software for continuous integration and automated tests. User interfaces is where developers have direct access to a rich set of command line tools, a multi-device web console, and Eclipse-based IDEs. Automation means streamlined and automated container and application build, deployment, scaling, health management, and more are standard. The last one are source to image deployment. OpenShift Container Platform provides a toolkit and workflow for producing ready-to-run images by injecting source code into a container and letting the container prepare that source code for execution. If you have any inquiries about the Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform, do email us at info@espincorp.com. Thank you.